know, guys, I wear glasses now. But this is not all. Then we're going to be trying snacks from Japan. This one. This one. Wait. My brother ate some already, so that's why it's open. So I opened it for him, but okay. The first one. I'm not trying to double chin. What? It's not red. It looks red for you guys, but it's purple.
That's good. No Pikachu.
That's good.
Pikachu.
Try a red one.
Hey, what's that? Hey, Pikachu.
Red one.
Pikachu.
Aftertaste is fine. This Pikachu looking guy.
What's that guy? Pikachu.
Now we're gonna be trying this balls guy. Wait! Hold on.
Come on.
No? Here, come here.
Mommy.
I don't think we got any of these balls, guys. Hey, yo.
What's that guy? That one. That Jinx. Look. Water.
I'll be right back.
I think spicy.
Here we are, Snowy. We made it to Walmart.
Yay! But isn't you said you wanted to buy?
Actually, Snowy, we're not going to be buying anything today. We're going to be doing a crazy challenge.
Ooh, what's the challenge?
First, we're going to go in disguised as employees. Then, we're going to try to hide after the store closes overnight without getting caught.
Oh, that's why you wanted me to wear this shirt today.
Okay, spicy.
Uh-oh.